just kind of a quick review for you guys on the SereneLife 12,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner. I hadn't seen too many reviews in it, so I thought I'd just kind of give you guys my 2 cents. It's kind of based off my experience and let you know what I thought about it. I should mention real quick too, I actually found a pretty good deal on this portable AC unit, and I'll put a link to that in the description below, so you can check that out if you're interested in picking one up for yourself. So I was looking for a higher BTU, above 10,000 BTU portable AC unit, and compared quite a few of them on Amazon, in stores, Costco, a lot of different places. And a lot of people really like the SereneLife model. They said for the money, it's a really good value. And I guess if you kind of want the short version of this review, I completely agree with that. For the money, I think this is your best bang for your buck. For a great portable air conditioner that both works good, looks good, and seems to be very well made. The first thing I kind of noticed about this was how quiet it was. An extremely quiet unit. You really can't even tell it's running unless you're probably within about 2 or 3 feet of it. And even then, you just hear kind of the air blowing. The motors that they use and the compressor they use on this is very, very quiet, which is nice, because I've used a lot of air conditioners in the past that are very loud and obnoxious, and it can get quite annoying. It comes with everything you need to hook it up, including the window vent kit right out of the box. Very easy to hook up, very easy to get up and going. It comes with a remote control also, which is very simple to use. There's not a million buttons on it. Just basically your fan speed, your temperature, power, timer, things like that. It can also have a swing feature where it kind of blows the air up and down, kind of on a reciprocating fan thing, which is kind of nice. So it's, if you want to kind of aim it at you, you can have it kind of move like a fan, so it's not just constantly blowing on you. But 12,000 BTUs, very powerful. This will do a really, really large room, if not a whole entire house. But if you have like a great room with a kitchen attached, a large space that you want to cool, that's perfect for it. Now they do make less powerful models as well. It's really kind of the same unit. It just has a smaller compressor inside of it, which you can see. The link below it shows all of them on that page, so you can get a smaller one. They make them down to 8,000 BTUs. But yeah, very easy to use, very quiet, blows ice cold air, comes with everything you need. Really, really like it. If you guys have any more questions about it, just leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day.